This month my portfolio increased by 4k. But how this happens? We are gonna figure it out together because in this episode we are gonna see how my portfolio changed in July. First of all, as you know, my portfolio is divided in 3 parts. The first one is the liquidity. The liquidity decreased a lot this month. I have just 300 euro on Revolut and 2,400 in the other cards. The biggest part of this money are in a trust wallet, but I don't consider it as crypto, but as liquidity. So the total liquidity is of 2,700 euro. Now, the second part of my portfolio is the crypto. This month, the crypto finally started to increase. They had a very high pump, then they retreated a lot. So now the numbers that I put in are decreased, of course, because I saw my portfolio arriving at like 6k. I deposited more or less 5k. So I did like 1k profit, was very nice, but now decreased again. We have Ethereum that moved from 800 to 1200, Solana from 800 to 900, and then the other crypto increased just from 3,100 to 3,400. So nothing that much exciting. But at least we are for one time in profit. We did like 764 euro profit in crypto this month. Honestly, I don't have these big plans with crypto because I know they can do a lot, but it's very difficult to keep control of that. So I don't think I'm gonna add more money for now. Because now we are going to the third part, the best one, the one that I like the most. The tools part. This is the biggest part of my portfolio. This is where almost all my money are invested, and now we're gonna see how it is divided. First of all, we have the software of copy trading. As you know, if you saw my profile before, you know that I've been using this tool since now more than 8 months, and I diversified in 3 ways. The first one is just one account of 1k that I don't want to move. I just want to let it grow slowly. In fact, after more or less 186 days on my Telegram group, I document every day. I post the profit or the loss that you do. We are profit of 800 euro. So now the tool is at 1,823 euro. That since the beginning is like 82%. Very nice. Then we have, I diversified in the other 2 tools. We have also the same software that now have 5k. I created this one this month. We are in profit of more or less 178 euro. And then we have 10k on the fund. The fund, for who don't know, for who don't follow me on Telegram, because there I explain it a lot, is this fund that was created by the creator of the software, of course, where they are gonna add more tools. Not just the software itself, but also other tools. This, in the long term, I think is the best thing, because if you're gonna diversify in good strategies, your money are gonna be more safe, of course, because you are diversifying. That is the key in investments always. And you can also do better profits, because if you have different tools that operate in different moments, you can have more opportunity to get money. So in the fund there is the software that I've been using since 8 months, and then they slowly are gonna add other tools. But we'll see together how it's going. I opened it like 2 weeks ago. We didn't make that much profit for now because they are upgrading and changing things, but we are gonna see also next month in the next episode of this series how it went. But if you wanna follow it day by day, just go on my Telegram group where I update everything. It's free, you can see and do everything you want. Then I add another voice that is fund passivity. The people that created this fund gave us the opportunity to monetize from the profit share that they take from the people. Now they decided in the fund to give us also a small percentage of the profit share that they take. It's for everyone that has the tool and wants to share the opportunity to others. They're gonna start to give this passivity. And this is gonna be very interesting, slowly, when the capital are gonna increase. So let's see in the time how much the things is gonna do month by month. My goal is to get like a salary just from that. And this can be very interesting. We'll see. As you know, I'm not using any more other tools. For now, I'm focused just on that because I'm starting to understand very well how this world works, how much serious they are, the people that created this kind of tools. I also met them in the Naples event. I did a video last week about that, so go and check it, where I met them in person, I understand lots of things. So honestly, I feel very safe to invest my money there. So I'm gonna keep investing there for now, and then we'll see when I will start to diversify. But for now, my goal is to arrive at 50k in the software. Then we're gonna start to diversify. Also because guys, 50k, check 10% of 50k, guys, is 5k. If we do 10% in a month, guys, I do 5k per month. It's crazy, it's pazzesco. But let's see. By the way, I had so this 5k more. We are at 17k invested on tools, while in the crypto side I have just 5,600. So the percentage of my portfolio is 10% on liquidity, and I'm happy about that because I want to keep the liquidity always as less as possible, because more money I invested, more profit I'm gonna do. Less money I invested, less profit I will do. So it's okay like that, and then I will spend less. This is like a pattern, a mental pattern, because if I don't have lots of money on Revolut, I'm not gonna spend a lot, and this is okay, it's nice. Then we have 22% on crypto and 67% invested on tools. So my total portfolio moved by 21k to 25,373 euro. Let's see next month how it is. And if you don't follow me, go on my Telegram group and check every day how my investments are going. And if you want to know also more about me, go on Instagram, and there you will find everything day by day. See you there. Bye.